Who'll win the battle between a strawberry and a banana? It's a strawberry! Yay! Luck is on your side today! Guys, what should we do today? What's that? Strawberry challenge! Let's go! One drink, please. Oh, strawberry challenge. I see. It means I should make fresh strawberry juice in a strawberry cup. Coat a clear plastic cup with red acrylic paint. Paint the cap white. Create a gradient on the edges. Paint yellow seeds. Cut leaves out of green foam paper. Glue them to the cap. Put in a green straw to be a stem. Hi-ya! Strawberry, you put up a great fight! Here's your drink. Thanks! Oh, your hair! It's turning red! Is this a joke? I think I'd better not eat strawberries anymore. My earring came undone. Tin, hold this bouquet. Look, a strawberry! A challenge! Holly, hurry up! Cut a styrofoam ball in half. Coat one half with green confectionery glaze. Let it harden. Dip a strawberry in glaze. Attach it to the hardened glaze on the ball. Cover the whole surface with strawberries. Stretch out the edge of crepe paper and glue it to the edge of a cardboard circle, making pleats. Attach a cardboard roll to the back side. Wrap it in crepe paper. Fasten it with a ribbon. We get a base for a bouquet. Glue on the strawberry top. The bouquet is done! Here's your wedding bouquet! Phew, we did it! Okay, I'm throwing the bouquet! I got it! Ah! What? Strawberries? I hate weddings! Relaxing on the grass feels so nice, except these golfers are really annoying. Ashley, look! It's the strawberry challenge! Run! Tin, what's up? Strawberries here! Okay, bye! What was that? What's going on? Who did this? I need to go. Tin, dig deeper. There must be water at the bottom. Oh, a seagull! Oh, a strawberry! That's a challenge! Run! No other mermaid has such a great tail! Hey! You ruined my tail! Sorry, we'll fix it right now! Ashley, go! Tin, add some sand right here. Done! So? Do you like the strawberry? Perfect! We nailed it! Mmm! Strawberries! Oh! Seeds! I'm gonna get rid of them now! 1 754 938 and a few more. Done! I did it! No! Okay, fine. I have more. Why is the sand so coarse? Where's my soft pillow? Here it is! Thanks, Tin! You were so sweet! You're welcome, Ashley! Enjoy! Let the fight for the title of Darts Champion begin! And the champion is… Me! Yes! I'm the great and powerful 10! I can hit the target with my eyes closed. Whoa, 10! A strawberry symbol. It's a challenge. Aim, fire! You hit the bullseye! And I have a strawberry mask. Yay! Congrats! Thanks, friend! A picture with your guests. Well, well, well. They are having fun. You won't get away with that strawberry bouquet. Strawberries again! Lucky me! My revenge will be terrible. Squeeze juice out of garlic. Fill a syringe with it. And inject it into a strawberry. Dip it in melted chocolate. Decorate with white chocolate drips. What a yummy dessert! Chocolate-covered strawberries! Leave some for me! Ew! What is this flavor? This is a garlic strawberry. Holly is a girl in red. A red swimsuit, red glasses, and a strawberry bag. But it's not a regular bag. It's a thermal bag for her drink. Cut a bag piece out of thermal insulation. Glue it to a sheet of foam paper. Cut it out, leaving ½ inch around the edges. Make 6 identical pieces. Connect them in a strawberry shape. Glue on a round bottom. Cut strawberry leaves out of foam paper. Glue a ring of thermal insulation to it. Attach a zipper around it. Fasten the other side of the zipper to the bag. Cut yellow foam paper into squares. Put them on the bag to look like strawberry seeds. Make a handle for the purse from a double strip of foam paper. Ashley, 10! Hi! I was just about to enjoy my icy drink. Holly, let me have some. Sure. I think it's way too cold. My serve! Hit it! Come on, where's your energy? They are playing pretty well. Oh no! A strawberry symbol! A challenge? Right now? Okay, give me the racket. Hey, 10! Are you okay? There's no time to explain. A whole bowl of strawberry salad! Thanks, guys! I won't bother you anymore. Good luck! My muscles won't grow themselves. Hi, Holly! Hi! Oh! A strawberry symbol! It's a challenge! Let's add some strawberries to make it heavier. Have a good workout! A bucket on each side. Go! Ashley, it's too heavy! Help me! Okay, I'll eat some. Thanks! Ah! It's tilting! Hang on! That was an awesome workout! High five! Hold this! And I'll take the strawberries. Hey, Ashley! Good thing there's another bucket! Mmm, yummy! What a gorgeous lifeguard! Oh, strawberries! Who is screaming? Help! It's not that deep in there. A strawberry buoy! Hot glue some plastic bowls together. Smooth out the joints with the tip of the hot glue gun. Attach a stick of hot glue to the bottom of one bowl. Make it look like a stem. Color the strawberry with red spray paint. Paint yellow seeds. Color the stem green. Cut leaves out of a foam polyethylene. Paint it green. Put on the stem. Ashley, I'm coming! Here's a strawberry buoy! Hold it! Tin, what are you doing? I was waiting for the lifeguard! You ruined my plan! Women! This is a strawberry challenge, you know? Did you like our strawberry challenge? Then comment below what you liked the most. A strawberry cup, a strawberry thermal bag, a wedding bouquet, or a garlic-flavored strawberry? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new hilarious challenge ideas from Troom.